Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by installing the latest AnyDesk on both machines. This ensures compatibility and security. Once installed, open AnyDesk and copy the ID shown. You need this to connect. Make sure to enable unattended access if you plan to connect without someone present, and set a strong password. This prevents unauthorized logins. Also grant screen recording and accessibility permissions now so the session runs smoothly. After these steps, you're ready to initiate your first connection. You enter the remote AnyDesk ID in the address field and click Connect. Choose full control when you need to operate the remote device, or view only for supervision. Once connected, inspect the session toolbar. Adjust display quality and frame rate for a smoother experience, and enable audio or file transfer as needed. Make sure to configure the permission profile so clipboard syncing, remote input, and potential admin privileges match the task. This prevents interruptions. If performance lags, lower quality to prioritize responsiveness. You finish by closing the session, and if access was temporary, revoke unattended access and remove saved credentials to maintain security. If something goes wrong, open AnyDesk's log and built-in diagnostics to identify connection errors or permission denials. This shows whether ports, firewalls, or credentials are the problem. As a quick troubleshooting step, restart AnyDesk, confirm both sides run the latest version, and check that firewalls allow outgoing/incoming connections. If problems persist, recheck permissions and
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.